Can you e-file old tax returns? Yes, but it depends on what year specifically you're trying to file. Welcome to Tax Chit Chat, the place where we talk all things tax all the time. So how does e-file work? E-file is a system for submitting your tax returns to the Internal Revenue Service, or IRS, through the internet. Tax returns submitted through e-file, or modernized e-file, or MEF in IRS speak, usually eliminate the need to send any paper documents to make the filing occur. For those who file their taxes with consumer software, they're usually able to file the current year, but that's it. For tax professionals, such as myself, that use commercial software, we often have the ability to go back further up to the IRS maximum. So what years can be e-filed? At the time this video is being made, the maximum number of years back that can be e-filed is 3 years. Think of the year that you're in and then subtract 3 from that. So in 2022, that would be 2021, 2020, and 2019. But it's important to know that you can't e-file all year long. The IRS does what's known as MEF cutover, which means towards the end of each year, while they get the system ready for the next tax season, there is no e-filing. So generally speaking, you're usually able to e-file the last 3 years of tax returns between late January and late October of any year. If you're filing outside of that window, you'll have to paper file, which brings me to my next point. What years have to go via paper? If you're outside the e-filing window for the current year, say November to late January, then you'll have to paper file your tax return. But if you are in the MEF window, then you just have to remember that any year prior to the last 3 years has to go via paper. So think year 4. So in 2022, this would be 2021, 2020, 2019, 2018. So 2018 and prior would have to be paper filed. Now, the important thing to note about year 4 is that you lose this particular refund if you don't file by April 15th of the 3rd year following it. For example, tax year 2018 was due April 15th, 2019. Add 3 years to that date and you'll lose your refund if you don't file by April 15th, 2022. And since you can't e-file that return, make sure that you mail it so that it is postmarked by April 15th so Uncle Sam doesn't keep your money. Need to learn how to get tax records to file an old tax return? Then watch this video, how to get tax records from the IRS fast. Need to learn how to mail an old tax return to the IRS? Watch this video, how do I send my taxes by mail? Don't want to learn how to do either of those things, but you have old tax returns that you need to file? Then watch this video to learn how to file your back taxes via our specialty website, filedoldtaxreturns.com. As always, remember, keep earning, keep learning, and just like that, this chat is adjourned.